Hello and welcome back to Thomas Talks, and today's video is going to be another unboxing video. Probably by the title of the video you can tell it's going to be the Louis Vuitton Imagination Fragrance Unboxing, which is the newest fragrance for men's for kind of spring summer 2021. I just ordered the bottle, must have been about 2 weeks ago now, and it came out I think officially a week ago on Saturday up here in Scotland, up for sale for the general public. You might have seen my video on the little sample I got given in June, or early June, and we may as well start off. This is the bag. I did order two, so that's why we've got two wrapped bags of them, and the little receipt, which is just the standard little flappy thing here. But you guys are all here for the fragrance, so it comes in this little beautiful gift display kind of bag, little ribbon which I can never seem to keep pretty, but anyway, unbox, la 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 la, here it comes. Open up the back. These do have a little bit at the top you can pull back, and it's got the kind of sticky stuff here if you want to reuse it. I've got Imagination and California Dream as little samples, which are quite neat. And inside is, where was it going? Yeah, so around the back, you'll notice the first time this box, it's got a sticker that says made in France and the address in Paris, which I don't remember seeing that previously. It opens out as standard, so it says Imagination in the front, kind of embossed, and then Louis Vuitton in black, little Louis Vuitton logo at the top. I'm going to slide this here if this box will open. A little doorway, like so. So the box is a different style and material actually of the boxes I've had previously. Just the way that opening up. Feels more like it's made of recycled material, recycled paper, quite cheap paper feeling. So this is the little container it comes in. As you can see, we've got a little Louis Vuitton embossed at the top and the metal lid. Lift that up like so. Leave that guy here. And you can see the bottle kind of has like a light, kind of greeny blue turquoise colour for the glass. I believe it's through the glass or it's liquid. I need to work that out as it sprays, but the colour of it is very, hold up against the camera, trying to get some mod shots over across, but it just says Imagination, Louis Vuitton embossed onto the glass itself, and then TSD, which is my initials I got imprinted on it. And at the top it has got the same magnetic little clip that you get in the vest, and then Louis Vuitton, again, the logo there. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this unboxing of the Louis Vuitton Imagination fragrance. I actually do recommend it. It's one of my favourite ones. It's a little bit lighter. I think it's made of like black tea and things. I'll do a full review of it maybe once I've had it for like a month. But it's a bit like the Meteor one, so if you're debating to get it, I'd probably say go for Imagination, just because it's probably a little bit of a preference over that one, but I do like both. It's very different from like Le Monde Cité, and it's not that citrusy or anything like that in comparison to something like On the Beach. So hopefully you guys found this video useful, fun if you're into Louis Vuitton and unboxing videos. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to Thomas Talks below, feel free to check out my other videos on my channel, all that's in the description below, search on my various videos, and help me get to 1,000 subscribers, so if you could subscribe that'd also be great, and I will see you next video. Thanks for watching, ciao.